Assalamu alaikum everyone. All right, so a little bit disappointed with Pepe in here. There was a scenario that I thought maybe it's time for this thing to go up to this technical target, but I think there has been some behavior with this coin that really has shown that it's not interested to do that anytime soon. So I at least thought we are gonna get 1071. It would have made more sense even if you didn't go to 1300. It would have been more sensible to actually move up to 1071, and the reason is because the trend line here is where it really makes a lot of sense. So if you see, if you came up to 1070, that would have been much more sensible to stop, because there is still a lot of breathing room to actually come up to 1082, and maybe when you break this you could actually move even higher to maybe 1500 level. But unfortunately you haven't done so, and all you did is you made one rejection here, the second rejection, and third rejection with a fake out, and then you came down, unfortunately. So that looks to me is like a shady behavior. That's not a very good behavior right now. So this is Pepe, right? This is Pepe on one side, and then we have Bitcoin on the other side. The thing with Bitcoin is that if Bitcoin can retrace down, Bitcoin can actually go down from $94,000. It's actually sitting at 93, and I think that Bitcoin is showing some signs that it wants to correct a little bit more to the downside. Now, if you do check this here, there's a little bit of triangle that has formed up for Bitcoin, and we are just about to break below the triangle. It is holding it. It has actually held it pretty well. I think there's a move down here, and if actually closed above there, that's a good sign. But eventually, until there's a decision coming till 29, so within the next 24 hours, we're going to see a move. And if you just go on and you break down, which in my opinion is actually about to happen, because right now there's a little bit of divergences going on and the market is pretty pumped. So we could actually see Bitcoin retrace a little bit more lower to 90,000. So it's not going to be the biggest retracement in the world. That's going to be, yeah, that's going to be like a 3.43%. But 3.43% for altcoins could actually mean 9%, 8%, 10%. So I would actually say correction, not a dump. And during this time, Pepe can also do its like 10% correction, in my opinion, if Bitcoin does 3.44% correction to the downside. So that's it for the update. I'm going to see you the next one, Office.